In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04e, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on General Management. Then scroll again to tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Autofill. Click on Google. And then tap on Add Password. Finally, you can input all of those informations. When you finished adding your password, you need to hit Save at the top right corner. So, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, mine was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!